You slept 8 hours last night. You even had your morning coffee. But you're still tired, still slow, still not yourself. You thought it was your body, but maybe it's your mind. Because tiredness isn't always physical. It's not always about sleep or food or rest. Sometimes, you're exhausted from thinking too much, worrying too often, and pretending to be okay every single day. You wake up, already drained, not because your body is weak, but because your soul is overwhelmed. In this video, we'll talk about the real reason why you feel tired and how to reclaim your energy without needing more hours in a day. You open your eyes, and the first thing you reach for is your phone. The screen lights up, and within seconds, your mind is hit with messages, alerts, to-do lists, headlines, opinions, all before you even drink a glass of water. You haven't stood up yet, but mentally, you're already sprinting. That's the problem. We think exhaustion is always physical, that we're tired because we didn't sleep enough or didn't eat right. But there's another kind of tiredness, the one no one sees, the kind that builds quietly, when your thoughts are scattered, when your decisions pile up, and when your brain never gets a moment to truly rest. It's called mental fatigue, and it's real. Every notification you ignore, every choice you postpone, every "I'll deal with it later." They don't disappear. They stay, taking up space in your mental hard drive. Little by little, the noise becomes your normal. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. You're not unmotivated. You're just emotionally drained by things that never feel big enough to stop for, but are heavy enough to slow you down every day. The truth is, your brain was never meant to process this much, this fast, this constantly. No wonder rest never feels like enough. Not all exhaustion comes from doing too much. Sometimes it comes from doing too many things that don't matter, and too few things that do. You think you're just checking your phone for a few minutes, but 30 scrolls later, your mind is filled with other people's lives, and you're no closer to your own. You reply to messages out of guilt. You say yes to tasks you secretly resent. You watch videos you didn't search for, consume opinions you didn't ask for, and carry stress you didn't sign up for. This is what we call silent energy leaks. Little drains on your mental battery that don't scream, but slowly wear you down, like cluttered spaces, like open tabs in your browser, like unfinished thoughts you never wrote down. You keep telling yourself, it's just a quick check. It's just one more task. I'll take a break after this. But that break never comes, because the world has trained you to always be available, but never truly present. And in that constant alertness, your brain never powers down, only overheats. You're not tired because you're doing too much. You're tired because you're doing too much. That isn't aligned. So how do you recover when it's not your body that's tired, but your soul? First, you slow down, not just in speed, but in attention. Give yourself permission to pause without guilt. Wake up without reaching for your phone. Sit in silence, even just for 5 minutes, and let your thoughts settle, like muddy water left untouched. Write things down, not to organize your life, but to declutter your mind. Light a candle. Take a longer shower. Step outside without a destination. Your healing doesn't have to be grand. It just has to be intentional. Real rest isn't just sleep. It's time without input. It's choosing to be unavailable to everything that doesn't nourish you. No notifications, no expectations, just breath and awareness. Your brain is not a machine. It's a garden. And you can't bloom if you never let the soil rest. Maybe today, you don't need to try harder. Maybe today, you just need to breathe deeper. Not everything in life has to be maximized, optimized, or monetized. You're not behind. You're not lazy. You're just human, living in a world that forgot how to pause. But you can remember. You can reclaim your peace. So tonight, put your phone away a little earlier. Drink water. Stretch your body. Forgive your thoughts. And sleep. Not to escape, but to rebuild. Because tomorrow is a fresh page. And you get to write it differently. If this message speaks to you, hit the like button to support this kind of content. Subscribe to GrowMode for more calm, clear, and conscious living. Upgrade your mindset, one day at a time.